Hi, I'm Morgan with Steele Ford Lincoln, and this is the van that can become anything you want it to be. It's the 2025 Ford Transit cargo van. This specific unit has a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, is rear-wheel drive, and has a low roof. Inside you have the dark palazzo gray cloth for those seats, and the exterior is an Oxford white, which is just a blank slate for whatever you want it to be. This specific Ford Transit doesn't have too much installed in the way of extras. However, we have plenty of options available depending on what you'll be using the vehicle for, of course. This one does have the rear compartment light, tie-down cargo hooks, reverse sensing system, and heated side mirrors. This 2025 Ford Transit cargo van is ready for everything and capable of anything. If you have questions about this or any of our other vehicles here at Steele Ford Lincoln, please pop on by. We'd be happy to help you.